Hello, good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the Schumpeter's theory of trade cycle. As we know, Schumpeter he belongs from the American group of economists, and this theory is known as the innovation theory of trade cycle. Schumpeter concentrate on innovation as the major aspects of the economy, and according to him, innovation does matter, or the innovation is the basic causes behind economic fluctuations. According to Schumpeter, innovation is the structure of economy or the source of economic fluctuation. Schumpeter approaches involves the development of his model into two stages. First stage, which is deals with the initial impact of innovation, and in second stage, it follows through reaction to the original impact of innovation. So Schumpeter start his analysis from the stable equilibrium, but his aim is to identify the economic factors organizing from within the economy that destroy this existing equilibrium and leads to evolution. This real economic process can be divided into two different parts, that are the static and dynamic. According to Schumpeter, these two processes as the distinct between the circular flow of economy and the development of economy. By innovation, he means such changes of the combination of the factor of production as cannot be affected by steps or the variation on the margin. So, according to Schumpeter, that innovation may consist of the introduction of new product, the introduction of new method of production, the opening of new market, the opening of new source of raw materials, the carrying of organization of an industry, method of production and transportation, changes in industrial organization or in the production of new articles. Innovation are simply commercial application on new techniques or new materials. So new means the transpiration and new source of energy. So according to Schumpeter, innovation is nothing but the changing in existing things. So innovation are the originating cause of circular flow of economy. Schumpeter assigned the role of innovator not to be capitalist but to be an entrepreneur. According to Schumpeter, innovator must be play the role of entrepreneur rather than capitalist. The entrepreneur is not the man of ordinary ability but one who introduces something entirely new. So the entrepreneur is the person who having the ability to make changes in existing things. So she will play the role of innovator in the economy, and that innovation will take place the new changes in the existing economic fluctuations or economic activities. The new innovations start with production of goods and increase the flow of goods in the economy. During this period of recession, credit, price, and investment rate decline, but total output is likely to be average lesser than or larger than in the preceding prosperity. Once the original innovation becomes successful, the profitability other entrepreneurs follow to the innovative entrepreneur, and innovation is one field introduce innovation in related fields. There are some criticisms on Schumpeter's theory. Some economists criticize the theory of Schumpeter or innovation theory in following manner. According to some economists, innovator not necessary for innovation. Innovation not the only cause of business cycle. There are certain other causes also impact on economic factors. This theory is based upon sociological rather than economic factors. So here Schumpeter ignore bank credit and other sources of funds. Innovation is financed to voluntary saving does not produce a cycle because there are some economic factors or economic sources which impact the business activities in the economy, and full employment is an unrealistic assumption. The important factor causing business fluctuations which are not considered over here. Innovation is only one, not the sole factor of economic fluctuations. Thank you everybody.